In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly connect these two powerful tools to maximize your advertising efforts and streamline your data management. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your HubSpot account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, and if you're not registered yet, you'll need to set up an account following HubSpot's straightforward sign-up process. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the main navigation menu. Next, click on Marketing from the options displayed in the top menu. This is where you manage all things related to marketing within HubSpot, so it's the perfect place to start our integration journey. Once you're in the marketing section, navigate to Ads. This tab specifically hosts tools aimed at managing advertising activities, and here you'll prepare to connect with Facebook. Now, you'll want to click on Get Started with Ads. This option provides a guided setup experience aimed at assisting users in establishing their ad accounts efficiently. Take note that this process is designed to be beginner friendly but comprehensive enough for those with some experience. In the next step, look for and click on Facebook among the list of available platforms. Selecting Facebook will initiate the process of linking your HubSpot account to your Facebook advertising account. At this juncture, Facebook's authorization page will appear. Click Continue with your selected Facebook account. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account that manages your business ads. If not, log out and log back in with the right credentials before clicking continue. After connecting to Facebook, you'll need to select an ad account that you want to integrate with HubSpot. Review this list carefully as it reflects the accounts you have administrative access to on Facebook. Choose the one that aligns with your goals and needs. Click on Connect Accounts to finalize this linking. By doing so, you're allowing HubSpot to interact with your Facebook ad account, which is essential for syncing and tracking performance data. Next, click Next Sync Leads. This step will enable the automatic transfer of lead information between Facebook and HubSpot, letting you track conversions and customer interactions in one centralized location. Finally, to complete the integration process, click on Go to Ads. This will take you to your HubSpot Ads workspace where you can begin managing and analyzing your Facebook ad campaigns directly within HubSpot. And there you have it, a streamlined way to connect HubSpot with Facebook ads. This integration is a game changer for marketers looking to simplify their workflow while making data-driven decisions. Happy advertising!